Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check notifications in email. It's really simple and easy. Now whether you use Gmail or maybe you have an iPhone and you use the iPhone Mail app, I'm going to show you how to enable and make sure you are getting all of those notifications for every email. Now let's hop into this Gmail application here and I am logged into my account. You can see I have some emails here. Now I have to tap on these three bars in the top left corner, scroll down and tap on this settings. Now you can see there is notifications. I can tap on that and I can choose the notifications for all, high priority only and none. So you can select the option here. Just tap on this all and if you go for this inbox notification, you can see this notify for every message or label notifications. You can select label notifications here. If you scroll down a little bit, go for this notification sounds and I can choose exactly what I want. So turn this on for Gmail, but I need to make sure it's enabled on my phone side as well. So let's hop into these settings and then tap on this notifications and status bar. Go for this app notifications. Scroll down until you find this Gmail. Now tap on this Gmail. Now you have to make sure everything is enabled here. So essentially within the app as well as outside the app on phone itself, everything is enabled. I should be able to get any notifications whenever I get an email. Now you can do the same thing if you just scroll down to the mail app. So when all the notifications are enabled on my phone, it will come through anytime an email comes through so that I won't miss them and I will basically be able to see them, read them and respond to them as soon as I can. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.